fine line between a lion and a fat cat, eh, Park?
All right, rookie. I know you're excited, but before you're let loose on the Meridian, here are some tips on how things operate out there. Shinar sends out squads of unmanned harvester drones to scour the Meridian for Nerva. You know, the blue stuff that keeps the lights on. The people of Haven have found a way to skim a little off the top, and it seems like Shinar's either too dead or too oblivious to notice. All you have to do is intercept those harvesters, lock in, and take the Nerva. The squad with the most Nerva will come out victorious. Now, before those harvesters land, you need to move quick to sink a prime nano. Then, the goal is to loot as much gear as you can. Scoop up all the radia you find and hustle to the many exchanges scattered throughout the dead sectors. Power up while you have the time, because your rivals are doing the very same. Sound simple? It's not. In Haven, sure, everybody's friendly. But out there, all bets are off. They'll take you out and steal your Nerva. But hey, you can do the same to them. Watch your back out there. You'll get 3 chances during a run. If you get taken out too many times, you'll be pulled back to Haven. And eyes up for all the other nasties too. Goliaths and much worse. They'll reward you with extra Nerva if you can take them down. Just don't get turned into paste in the process. Got it? Now suit up and get your gear in order. The Meridian awaits, runner.
Nerva run. The bread and right on, runner. The Meridian awaits.
I could use a few more trophies for the mantle.
The S3 Harvester drone. Beautiful, huh? That's the target, and there'll be a few of them. Run them down, hack them, get the Nerva.
I'm reloading.
Bring it on, man.
Bothersome brute.
Your rival runners will stop at nothing to take the haul for themselves, even if that means taking you out and stealing yours. Maybe that's your style too, but that's none of my business, really.
Low on ammo. Reloading.
Armor to even the odds.
I'm marking new activity on your map. Should be good for some extra nerva.
Hey, walk lightly here.
Okay, we're clocking the harvesters' landing zones, adding them to your map.
You are not my trust.
Let's take a gamble there.
Another one. Do try not to get killed, yes?
Time to tap out.
Assault rifle here.
Harvesters in position. If you don't claim it first, you'll need to take it the hard way. The harvester's begun the extraction process. Get in there and intercept it.
Something for everyone. Hold up, I'm reloading.
Get back to the harvester. You need to stay close to it until the job is done.
Rerouting nerva.
Perfect. The nerva extraction override will take some time. Stay sharp, Weber. Your opponents are out for blood.
Reloading. Always. I'm reloading. I'm...
Not your day, sugar.
No one can best me.
Gotta reload.
Reload.
But
I am one with my tool.
Construction is complete.
I'm reloading.
20 seconds until extraction is complete. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Neural extraction complete. Please stand clear.
All right, we've only got a few shots at this, so make them count.
The hunt continues.
This is the final harvester, runner. Last chance to grab the Nerva and come out on top. Stay focused and good luck.
Hey, careful. I'm not loving these odds. Reload. Your luck ran out.
show them a good time. Now you tap out. Reloading. Bring it on, man. Reloading.
Okay, walk lightly here.
Take a moment, reset yourself. I'll have you back in there in no time.
I won't be defeated so easily. I am one with my tools. I'm reloading. Reloading.
Let's beat beat.
The Apex ready.
Show them a good time. Ace is high. Let's take a gamble there.
I'm reloading. It's all in the thrill of the hunt.
Top shelf gear.
A bothersome brood. Natural selection.
Ace is out.
Well, do as I say.
Go
Well,
check it out.
now.
Bring it on, mate.
Back to my side.
Ran out. Show them a good time. Keep them out of jail.
Reloading.
Ace is out.
Go there, Ivan.
Right there, bro.
Show them a good time.
Ivan, hold.
You can't hack the harvester until you clear out the other teams.
Your number came up.
I'm reloading. We must eliminate the interlopers.
Time to tap out.
Back to the deck. Back to the deck.
This is your last shot. Make it count.
Ace is out. Right there.
There, now.
Is complete. Seconds until extraction is complete.
Right there, bro.
10, 9, 8,
Bring it home, mate. Go check it out.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nuclear extraction.
You make it look easy.